Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send fax on your iPhone, Android or Mac operating system or Windows operating system using one of the best application, Fax Plus application available on each and every platform. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply I will provide you information. You can type here Fax Plus. The Fax Plus application look like this. The application available on laptop screen, mobile and tab also. You can sign up here absolutely free and send the application. So now we start as a mobile screen demonstration. Let's start. So here is my mobile screen. I open here App Store. You can do same process in Android as well. I type here Fax Plus. First app is display here. Look at this. The application look like this. Send and receive the application. I just simply download. Secure Fax app. It's very small application. I just simply open here after download. So sign up with your email address or sign up with your Google account. So I just simply click here and sign up via my Google account, means Gmail account. Sign up. I agree. You can add my mobile number here. I receive one OTP. Yeah, notify. Not really. Use contact. Okay. If you want upgrade, so upgrade. This is my inbox. Send messages, outbox or trash. So first of all, I will send here. So profile related informations are display here. My information like my name, Research Rocks, email address and mobile number. My fax related information are available here. Show contact on tab. So my contacts also show here. So first of all, I will send here one of the fax. Send and fax. Send and fax. Suppose add file or add page. If you want add page, so you can add page. Otherwise you can type here hello. Done. Now add one of the file. If you scan the file, photo drive or Google Drive, but I just simply scan. So I scan here particular image, so like this, and now you just simply type here the fax number and then send options are available here. Fax document very easily send.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.